What's up, everybody? I'm Hoodrat Hippie, and this is a witchy word from our sponsor, where I do an unboxing of a gift that will be received at our Witches, Weed, Wine, and Whatnots retreat. Today's lovely sponsor is from the beautiful ladies at Pits. Let's check out their website.
Alright, so once you go in, you automatically have the opportunity to get 10% off of your order, which is awesome. We are getting the Queen, and they have the one for the kids, and they have the one for the king. Let's go to the shop. Here are the reviews. Amazing reviews on their website. The best smelling natural deodorant ever. It has an amazing smell. It has an amazing smell. Here's the play pits for kids. More reviews. FAQs, locations, press. We have contact information. Meet the moms and the son. How gorgeous. How gorgeous is that? He is so handsome. All right. That's amazing. Oh, she is just straight gorge. Bless his little heart. He is so handsome. He is so handsome. Cam, oh my goodness, get over to this website so you guys can learn about this mom and her son and how she came up with play pits. All right, this is the website. It is beautiful, it is amazing, and we are going to get back to our review.
As you can see, it's early morning. I'm ready to get my workout on, so I'm really excited to test out this deodorant. It's got great reviews. So they shipped us over the Queen. I just love it already. I just love it already. So they sent us over the Queen. It says Play Pits for Us by Mom. Queen Natural Deodorant. No aluminum, no parabens, no artificial fragrances. How do they do that? How do they do that? That's magic, right? That has to be magic. All right, let's get this box out of the way. Okay. It's handcrafted. It says, why Play Pits? Play Pits is a natural deodorant made by a mother's love. Perfect for the entire family. It can be used for most gentle skin types and packs a strong punch against odors. Please enjoy Play Pits Adult Natural Deodorant. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, sniff test. I love it. I love the container. I love how sassy it looks. It just looks so nice. I love the artwork here. Oh, I can smell. Oh, yeah. That's nice. That's really nice. It's not strong. It's really, really nice. I can't even describe it. It's very soft and warm and not floral really, but it's very nice. It's very nice. It doesn't have too much of a familiar scent. Hold on, let me see. Shea butter, of course, coconut oil. We've got cornstarch, baking soda, shea butter, apple cider vinegar, zinc oxide, custom fragrances. Okay, see. That custom fragrance. That custom fragrance, they're gonna keep that a secret. They're gonna keep that a secret. All right, so as you can see, I'm ready to work out this morning, so I'm gonna pop this bad boy on. I'm going to work up a sweat, and we're gonna see how Play Pit stands up after a workout from me, because I don't fuck around. I don't fuck around. All right, so I'm gonna pop this on, I'm gonna work out, and I'll be back and let you guys know how it holds up after one of my workouts.
Okay, so I'm going to be an annoying Kung Fu instructor for a second and let you know that it's important to get your upper body strength up. If you cannot do a push-up, you cannot push someone off of you if they get you down to the ground. So make sure that you get your upper body strength up, and make sure you teach girls young that it's important to have upper body strength. Push-ups save lives.
It is legit. It is legit. Again, I wish I could describe this smell to you because it is so great, but they're trying to keep it a secret for a reason. Again, we got the Queen by Play Pits. Thank you, thank you, thank you to the beautiful moms over at Play Pits for sponsoring our retreat. If you would like to know how you can join the retreat and get your own bar of Play Pits, everything will be in the description down below. Until next time, you guys have a wonderful day, and always be mindful of your growth.
Watch them grow, perceive, devote. This is the seed, light the show. Watch them grow.